Welcome to Crane Talk, presented by Link-Belt Cranes, where we will focus on the people, places, and parts that truly make the difference. This episode, we spoke with Patrick Crocker from the Shirley Contracting Company out of Lorton, Virginia, who told us about their new TCC-1400 working on a highway job and his company's long-standing loyalty with crawler cranes, RTs, and Link-Belt.
The 1400 was crucial in installing some box culverts spanning where the existing culverts ended underneath 495 out to where the new road is going to be. Had we not had the 1400, we would have had to bring in possibly a much larger excavator than anything we own. But since we decided to go with the 1400, we've been able to get within an envelope that we could set those culverts without additional help. And it's been a great crane. I've got nothing bad to say about it. I really don't. Something else you got to consider on jobs like this is we've got a lot of overpasses and underpasses, and it's a whole lot easier for me to be able to suck in the boom of the TCC, lower it to the ground, and just walk under it. So being able to just move it by itself, self-propel the unit up underneath something has been huge. We have not had to move the 1400 out of where it's sitting since the day we brought it. I mean, we've tracked it around, but we've not had to break it down and transport it to another area of the job because this thing's doing all the work. We decided to go with a larger unit. One of the other really great things about the 1400 is the ease of transport. It breaks down into 4 truckloads and the crane can self-assemble itself. I don't need to have a support crane on site to put it together. And that not only saves time but manpower, money on the equipment. I don't need to rent a crane. I can have that crane operator go somewhere else to do another job. So it's a lot easier for us to put together and break down the 1400 by itself and just drop a trailer in right under it and let it jack itself down. In my opinion, it's a much safer crane. Being able to do more from one location means I don't have to move it as much. The service from Link-Belt has been second to none. When we originally got the crane, they came out, showed us how to put it together, break it apart, made sure operator knew everything in the cab did. Every button, alarm, lever, icon on the screen, and he loves it. We can do anything we need to do with the 1400 within our scope of work. The 1400 sits on a job right now doing the work of 3 RT cranes, so it's a hell of a lot more productive having one crane there instead of having to move 2-3 units constantly back and forth in and out. So this is our 50th anniversary this year, actually. For the last 50 years, we've been an RT and crawler crane companies. It's our bread and butter, and being able to really get the best of both worlds into a higher capacity crane has been awesome. I'm really excited to see what we really get this thing into in the next 1, 2, 3, 5 years, and what is still to come. We've got 7 Link-Belt machines. In fact, the very first crane the company purchased was a Link-Belt, the Link-Belt LS-108, and we still have it today. I've got half a dozen RT cranes ranging in sizes from 50 tons up to 65 tons. I've got 5 lattice boom crawler cranes ranging from 80 tons to 110 tons. And then our Link-Belt 1400 telecrawler. This is the largest crane we've purchased to date. Given the track record with this crane, I wouldn't be surprised if we purchased more. At the end of the day, for us, we really value versatility. Being able to grab a crane and pick it from one area to the next area, and it'd be able to do the same work.
Stay tuned for more stories on the next Crane Talk.